Namaste. My name is Volon. These are my brothers Will.
Namaste.
Namaste. And Vavan. Namaste.
And today we're gonna celebrate Holi. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah! Today for Holi we're gonna make Ladoo. And all you need is 5 bowls. 4 of them need to be the same size, 1 of them bigger, a spoon, some condensed milk, unsweetened shredded coconut, and the favorite ingredient, food coloring. Go. First, you need to put some coconut inside the 4 small bowls and then dump the whole packet inside the big bowl. Now, can you dump the whole thing inside here?
Yeah.
Dump it. That was really fast.
Yeah.
Put condensed milk inside the bowl where you put the coconut. But not all the way, okay? Only a little bit, and then mix, and then a little bit more, then mix. And we're gonna keep doing that until they come together. So Matt, can you pour while I mix?
I will try.
You can do this. I think that's gonna be enough right now. That's gonna be enough. Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no.
Mix. I'm so excited. Yeah. Oh. This is so crazy. And then please mix. I'm gonna mix your nose.
Okay. What?
Yeah, I think we're ready for this batch. What are you doing?
I'm flying. What is up?
What?
What is happening?
This is really hard. I think we're done. When you're done mixing, it should be really sticky and you can form a ball with it. But before we form a ball, who wants to add food coloring to the other bowl?
I don't know what just happened.
It's okay,
I got a mess.
It's okay, it's okay. Only put 2 drops in each.
Okay.
We have yellow, green, blue, and red.
Come on. Please open the good something. Oh no.
Ah, the cap.
Okay. What's this one? 1 and 2. Done. I think we did all of them. Oh my. Let's mix it up.
Yep.
Let's just do yellow.
You do blue.
Mango good.
You want to do? Do this one.
I will do red.
Now we need to butter our hands, which we already did. And you gotta make this into a ball. And And Virat, can you now?
Can we make some songs?
Okay, we can do some songs, but you need to roll it in here so then the colors come. Make sure you put it all the way. All the way.
Explain.
Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Give it to Vivon now. Vivon, when he gives it to you, place it on here. Okay, I think that's good.
Yeah, this is a red ball. Wait, is it like that?
Yeah. What are you doing? Keep that on there.
Oh my god, my red hand.
Do you want to sing a song?
Yeah.
Everyone in Newbernondi likes to go fast. Jim's will be a rescue bike just like his mom and dad. Who's that red racer going by just like a flash? Ricky Zoom, he can get it done. Always looking for and always having fun. Seeing everywhere you go, and he can real and superior. And on the right and down. And if you get in trouble, he will always be the help. Ricky Zoom. Whoa! Good. Hey!
No, okay,
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Boo, 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 boo.
That's a joke. Knock knock.
Who's there? Banana.
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
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 Orange.
Oh no!
Orange.
Orange who?
Aren't you glad I didn't say banana?
Yes!
And what are you doing? You just placed a little bit of thing over there, Vivon.
Oh yeah, look.
So now that the tray is full, we have to put the tray into the fridge for 1 hour to let the ladoos set. But what are we gonna do for 1 whole hour?
We will play some
Holi! Happy Holi! Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
Happy Holi!
तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो
I don't know.
से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो तोड़ दो हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के नाचेंगे हीरो बनकर जय जय शिव शंकर रजमूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ी दे दो हम आए जल्द शंकर के मूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ी दे दो ओ जय जय शिव शंकर रजमूड है भयंकर रंगूड़ी दे दो
After 1 hour, the ladoos are ready and they look amazing. Happy Holi to everyone!
I think we forgot something.
My thumbs up. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bye. Whoa. Bye. I like saying bye. I like saying bye. Okay, bye.